Hello, I'm going to show you how you can create your own thickness tool, thickness compound, using just a couple of ice topo nodes like the extrusion node, the merge node, the invert polygon node. So let's start using the grid. So if you want to do some thickness, to add some thickness on the grid, to see it more easily, I'm going to use a clone of the grid to do the thickness. Let's open the ice module. So on the polymesh I'm going to clone the grid, and then just to simplify the view of the ice tree and create a new one, and this way the clone is cached. It is just pulled once in one ice tree, and this ice tree will be used just to do the thickness. Apply thickness. OK and OK. So you can change the number of subdivision in the source. You can delete some polygon. You can animate the source. Delete some polygon. You can deform. Oops. You can deform the source, of course. Oops. The move points tool is very slow with the cam recording. Okay, the video recording. So it is a basic tool, but rather useful. On the thickness you can control the inset. You can add some subdivision if you want. You can push along the vertices to give a more round look. So how does it work? Let's disconnect all the compounds. So the first compound is just there to store a copy of the topology, but with inverted polygon. So I'm taking the topology, I'm inverting all the polygon, and I'm storing it in a custom topology attribute. Then I'm doing a classic extrusion, a classic isometric extrusion, so I'm missing the bottom. Then I'm storing the number of points before the merge, because I'm going to merge the extrusion with the inverted polygon. I'm also storing the border edge, the vertex border edge, using a singleton array. The advantage of using a singleton array is that you can set the topology and you will keep all your attributes intact. So here I'm merging the inverted polygon with the extrusion using my current topology, my custom topology attribute. I'm merging the topo and then merge the array to be able to set the topology. Then I'm welding the border vertices. So this compound is just I'm storing the vertex border attribute in an array to be able to weld using the merge vertices. I'm welding only the vertex along the border, and I repeat the merge for each border edge. for the half, in fact, the half border edge, because I only need to repeat it half time, half the number of edges of vertices on the border. Once it is done, this compound is just there to displace along the normal, and this compound uses the number of points before the merge to be able to filter the position. That's all for this little compound made with the new ice topology nodes.